Hi, Memo here with Apollo Screen and Shade. Do you have French doors and worry about covering up that beautiful look with a bulky screen? Well, Apollo Screen and Shade has two beautiful options that keep your doors looking exactly the way you love, while still giving you the airflow you want. For over 20 years, Apollo has been factory direct. We measure, we build, and we install every screen ourselves, no middlemen involved. Here's the thing about French doors. Not every set needs the same kind of screen. It really depends on how you use them. If you're walking through those doors constantly, kids, pets, groceries all day long, you'll want double screens, two separate panels, one on each door, meeting right in the middle, built for high traffic, and it's the standard setup for a reason. But if your doors are more about airflow, opened up for a breeze, not constant foot traffic, we've got something most companies can't offer. It's called a long pull screen. One single panel covering both doors at once with no center bar splitting your view, just clean, unobstructed beauty. Either way, when it's not in use, the screen disappears completely. No bulky look hanging around your doors, smooth retraction, no slamming, and every screen custom measured and built just for your home. Two beautiful choices, one perfect fit for your doors. Give us a call or hop online and let's get your French doors screened up right.